Prabhupada's telling in the Upadeshamrita, Nectar Instruction, in verse 8, which we can read, because it's so wonderful to hear from Rupa Goswami, to be reminded about our prayojan. Tannama rupa charitari sukirtananu smrityo kramena rasana manasi niyojya tishtan braje tad anuragi jana anugami kalam nayed akilam it upadesha saram, the essence, the sar of all Upadesh. So Prabhupada, the translation is the essence of all advice is that one should spend 24 hours a day. That's the ultimate. It's not only the essence of all advice, it's the culmination of lifetimes and lifetimes of spiritual endeavors. The essence of life is always remember Krishna and never forget Him, 24 hours a day. Well, what about sleeping? You can't. What about eating? Eat this much. The essence of all advice is that one should utilize one's full time. What does full time mean? 24 hours a day. In nicely, because it says Sukirtan. Prabhupada, it's so interesting the way Prabhupada translates these words. Sukirtan Anu. Anu means Anusmriti or Dhruva. Anu indicates Anusmriti or Dhruva Anusmriti. Sukirtan has also many other meanings, but he says, in nicely chanting and remembering Krishna's divine name, transcendental form, qualities, and eternal pastimes. In this way, one should reside in Braj, following in the footsteps of the Lord's beloved devotees, which means Gopi Anugatya, who are deeply attached to Krishna. This is a purport of Prabhupada, page 77. I wrote it here. Page 77, Prabhupada said, at the stage, this is Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, Ki Jai. At the stage of Raganuga Bhakti, one can follow in the footsteps. At the stage of Raganuga Bhakti, one can follow in the footsteps of one of the eternal associates of Krishna and Vrindavan. By executing Raganuga Bhakti in the Madhurya Ras, one can become like Srimati Radharani's serving maids, serving near assistants. Now he's calling the near assistants serving maids, brackets, manjaris, which is my brackets. The serving maids Rupa and Rati. Shri Rupa Manjari, Rupa Goswami, or Shri Rati Manjari, Tulsi Manjari, Baramati, who is Das Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hoive Akuti. We should be very akuti, very eager to follow in the footsteps of the Abhideya Acharya, Rupa Goswami Pad, and the Prayojana Acharya, Raghunath Das Goswami. So again, this is, because I thought let's hear from Prabhupada, it was so nice. So this is verse 8, and now let's turn to verse 11.